Hey guys, Kalila or Callie here. Welcome to another video. It is day 5 of me working on my halibut sweater, but I have been having to do so much work this morning, okay, that I haven't started knitting yet, but let's get a little refresher on what we ended off on last night. Beautiful, beautiful. I want to get another 15 rounds done today, okay? It is currently 1:30 p.m. It is later than I would prefer to start. You know, typically I like to start on my stuff during like 12 p.m. I like to have my morning for myself. Yeah, so I'm on a call with my sisters. We're dealing with work stuff, but I'm also editing my sock vlog. My sisters are right there, but I'm editing my sock vlog right now. So I want to do that and post it today because tomorrow my podcast is going up. So that's what I'll be working on before I start my sweater, and then probably in like an hour or so I will start the sweater. So let's get to editing.
I wish I could leave my skin behind in this old rented room, float my way across the great divide and be buried in you. I've been looking far and wide for what I gotta prove, and putting peaks in my rear view. Well, it's colder here than anyone told me the South could get, and I took to staying up real late and smoking cigarettes and cheap tobacco.
Guys, it's currently 7:21 p.m. How many rounds have I done today? 2. Why? Because work, okay? And extra stuff that's just annoying and cut into my knitting time. So, yeah, I've been dealing with this since like 11 a.m. And I'm like, so, you know, we're still where we were before. Not really much. I am going to stay up because I want to try and get to my goal. So I think, listen, I'm around 48 right now, okay? So I was around 40, I ended off around 45. I did 46 and 47. Now I'm on 48, okay? 48 is close to 50, and 50 is close to 60, and 60 is my goal, which means I can probably make it. I'm tired already, but listen. My hands aren't because they haven't been used to knit today. So I'm gonna knit and we're gonna see how things go. And I stuffed my stuff in here, but we're 5 rounds in, okay? I'm gonna try to get to round, oh my gosh, look at how stuffed this is on the needles, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try to get to round 55, and then I'll see how I feel, okay? And then we'll see how I am when I get, like, if I want to stay up to get to round 60. I want to, but you know, I'll be content with round 55, especially seeing as I basically started knitting at 7 p.m. It's currently 9, oh, I don't want to say that. It's 21:11, okay? It's 2 hours from 7. Okay, it's 9:12 right now. It's 9:12, so I'm gonna go and watch a movie with my sisters. So I'm gonna bring my iPad, my paper chart, my printed out chart, and yeah, I can't stay up too late. Well, I guess I can if I wanted to. I do have to go in to work, but I can always knit on the way there. So yeah, I'm just gonna Just gonna chill out, okay? Chill out, relax, de-stress, and watch a movie with my sisters. We might watch something that's like dumb, funny to like take our minds off stuff. Something with like Adam Devine in it, because if that Adam Devine is in it, you know it's gonna be dumb funny, okay? So yeah. Anyway, let's get back to knitting, and I'll probably see you guys in like 2 more hours.
I can see a sea of alpine green, something that will stay with me. Sky is wrapped in blue, wish that I could share with you, like a photograph when times are good, when a flower begins to bloom. Life.
Hello. It is midnight again. Oh my gosh. Again. Hold on. Can you see it? Come on. Yes, it is 12:16. Okay. It is midnight. And I did not reach the goal that I wanted to reach, but I reached the goal that my sister Kahila reached when she was knitting on her sweater during this time. So that means I'm right on track to splitting for the sleeves tomorrow on day 6. A lot of people, when I asked them how long they think it's going to take me, a lot of people were like, it'll take you 2 weeks to knit the yoke and then maybe like a week to knit the rest of the body and the sleeves. It's gonna be day 6. Anyway, today has been very brain heavy and annoying, so I'm ready to go to sleep and just like get a decent night's rest. But here is where I am. This is the back. This is the front. The front is always so squished. You can't see anything. So I always go to the back. This is what it's looking like, okay? Amazing, beautiful, beautiful, honestly. Let me show you on the side, because this is like the direction of the fish. This is the fin of the fish. I don't know if it's like this or if it's like the other way. Maybe it's like this, but this is the tail, obviously, the body and the fin, and it looks so good. That is amazing. This video is probably another shorter one, but listen, you're getting a video every single day about an update on this. This isn't supposed to be a very long kind of video, which I kind of like because less pressure, honestly. But yeah, tomorrow my goal is to obviously finish the yoke. I only have 10 more rounds of the yoke left, so finish the yoke, split for the sleeves, and start the body. And then I guess I'll just go to knitting like 5 centimeters or 10 centimeters or whatever like goal that I have for the plain stockinette section. But I'm very ready to get to plain stockinette so that I can read while I'm knitting. I can obviously listen to audiobooks, but I prefer physical reading, but on a digital item, because I read on my Kindle, which is very, very easy to read while I'm knitting stockinette, because I can just knit without looking and just tap and then knit, tap. Color work, obviously, can't do that. Again, look at how beautiful my floats are. I do not catch any of my floats, okay? So this is all raw floatage. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. That's all that I have for this video. I'm very tired, as you can probably tell. My voice is like 10 times deeper and my eyes want to close. So that's all that I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for coming along this journey of me knitting this sweater, especially since I'm almost done with the yoke, which is very exciting. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. where you'll probably see me in a bunch of places because I have to go into work and then I'm probably gonna go and sit at a cafe outside with my sisters and chill and knit. So, we'll see. Anyway, good night.